Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla pancakes using an easy method. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Sift these together into a large bowl. This simple step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring your pancakes are wonderfully light and fluffy. It sets the foundation for a perfect breakfast treat. Now, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Once combined, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is moistened. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them light and tender. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook until golden brown. And there you have it. Your delicious, fluffy vanilla pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Whether you prefer classic maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a generous dollop of whipped cream, these easy-to-make pancakes are sure to be a hit. They are perfect for a delightful breakfast or a special brunch. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.